today's Marielle's last day in Atlanta before she goes back to North Carolina. And we are going to
a revolving sushi bar.
Well, I don't know if it's technically a bar, it's more of a restaurant.
Well,
but it's pretty cool. And then we're gonna go to a Lebanese food store, Lebanese market.
Oh, that's where we got the tomato candy, right?
We've never been there.
Oh, we haven't?
No, this is new. We might even go to the international grocery store. We're going to have, it's rainy today, so we're going to make the most of it by taking a culinary world tour. You excited?
Very. What can she eat there?
Well, let's see. Mercy can eat rice. She can eat avocado. She can eat little pieces of cucumber that I'll cut up. She can probably eat the imitation crab meat. I'm not gonna give her any raw fish. If I blow on the miso soup, she can have a little bit of that.
That's so good. So
she'll be able to eat some stuff there. Yeah. I think that they also have some cooked meats. Like Daddy got that udon, or wait, didn't he get a soup bowl last time we were there?
Yes, he did.
And it had some cooked meat, and then they have like some beef, cooked beef sushi. So there's stuff. All right, so we made it to Kura Revolving Sushi Bar. Oh, you're right, sushi bar.
Ah, ha, ha. Ooh. Always right, as normal.
It's very cool. Kura Sushi Bar. Let's see how long we'll have to wait. Do we have to wait? Hun, do we have to wait?
No, you're good.
Cool. Awesome. Ariel, do you wanna tell us how this works?
Well, it goes, and if you want anything, you just simply pick it up and eat it. Or you can order things shipped directly to you on this conveyor belt.
And what do you do with your empty plates?
You put them down this hole to stare at this.
Very cool. Woo. Mercy is having some tamago, which is just a little omelet that I broke into pieces for her. Michael's having some miso soup. Marielle, also some miso soup and some edamame
and watermelon honey.
Delicious. Mmm. So Marielle, how do you like it?
I love it.
Mmm. Mercy got. You took up your bib, girl. Here, I think at 15 plates we get something. Put mine in. Oh boy. Special gift. Okay?
Okay.
Oh. What's your prize? A roll of stickers or mochi tape? Cool.
Washi tape.
Mochi tape. Oh, here's my avocado hand roll on the express line. Here it comes. Whoop! There it is. Yep. For Mercy. Okay, we're now continuing our international culinary tour by going to the Super H Market.
Or March.
Marked, yes. The sushi was very good.
You can make
Here's
a little
Mercy.
tail.
No. Michael's very excited.
Isn't he just?
He loves this place. He loves places like this. Look at all the different fruits. These are Korean melons. I wonder what they taste like.
Probably like small ones.
Mango. These are so good. Marielle, have you found anything fun?
I'm looking. I think I'm gonna drink.
Look at all these biscuits. Yummy. Ooh, Pocky. Ooh, look, this is like Oreo Pocky.
I'm learning some sign language.
Look at what we just found for little Mercy. Oh, it's a little birdie, but it's on a toothbrush. It's so cute.
What's this bit?
Love me. Marielle learning what a fresh coconut looks like. Wait, I don't understand. Is the husk inside of there? Or are these, oh, these are green. Okay, so these are not matured with the husk. Maybe? I don't know. Mama's confused too. Okay, let's keep going. Teamers. Look at all these fruits and vegetables, honey. Michael, show us what you found.
Gross.
Dried shrimp. And he just said it figures it's called Cameron. Ha 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 ha. Camarones. They have fresh crab, tilapia, lobsters. Are they alive, Marielle?
No, they're not.
I think they're just sleeping. Because they're not dead, are they? No, they can't be. Oh, they're frozen.
Yeah, they're dead.
Ew.
Yeah, they're dead. Are they just sleeping? Are they all just sleeping at the same time?
These gorgeous fish. Croaker, snapper, bass, squid, mackerel, pompano. What pretty fish. Geoduck and abalone, and here's some live crab. Oh yeah. Don't worry, I won't film you. Oh, they're moving around.
Why is one of them like bubbling?
I don't know. That one definitely doesn't want to be eaten. Cool. We should get some one time. Look at these cute little Hello Kitties. Aww.
What?
I'm gonna get some delicious Pocky.
Oh, okay.
Pocky's good.
Here. Oh, look at this more Hello Kitty. So cute. Did everyone have fun at the
Wonderful.
International Foods
I had
Market?
a gas.
What?
I had a gas.
So now we're off to the Lebanese grocery store
Where we're getting dinner.
where we're gonna get our dinner. And my friend Catherine is married to a Lebanese guy, and she had a bunch of us over for a play date and had some food from this grocery store, and it was so good. So, and she said this is the only place that her husband goes.
So it's legit.
So it's legit. Legit good. Okay, Marielle, what do you think, hon? How was your drink?
Well, yeah, we got marble sodas. Cameron got a pineapple one.
But I haven't tasted mine yet.
And I got a lime. And I had mine, and I liked mine actually, because I like those marble sodas. They're good for some reason.
Well, they have the added benefit of fun.
And noise.
Which is the marble.
Then,
And noise.
on your right.
Well, here we are.
I'm so confused. Okay, well, it's time to go left and then.
You ready?
Hopefully Mercy will nap on the way.
Yeah.
Right, girl? I just nursed her in the car, of course, because that's what I do every day that I go out with her. Not because I don't want to nurse in public, but because it's just more comfortable. We have an Infinity QX60. And Michael says, what do you say about the seats, hon?
They're comfortable.
Are they the most comfortable seats we own?
Avoid the stainage on here.
I don't know what happened with this. I'm waiting for the light to turn.
I was wondering what we were in the wrong lane or something. Are we?
It says for me to take a left.
Alright.
Do you think Mercy's gonna nap on the way there?
I hope so.
Maybe.
She needs to. But if she doesn't, then she'll nap on the way home.
True.
Freeway entrance on your right onto I-285 East.
Leon International Middle East Bakery. All right.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Cool. Let's go, Mercy. What?
Muriel's like filming my finger doing all this stuff. Alright. Go get Mercy.
Let's go, Mercy. Let's get some kibbe. In honor of Mike Maloof.
So let's see, what kind of car seat do we have, Cameron?
It's
Fingers.
the Graco. I don't know. It came with my Modes travel system. Oh no, that's a extend to fit. It smells so good in here.
It does.
Like amazing. This apricot to be good. Made in Brooklyn. Hi, how are you? Olives. Here, I can get this so you can.
Okay.
Delicious olives.
All of these are full of them. Oh, that one's empty.
I think that's good.
What's that?
I'm not sure.
Looks like beet juice.
I think, did we get some Tabbouleh?
Yeah.
Yes.
We did.
Yes, we got some hummus. We got some
We got it all.
Okay, so this is our haul from the International Grocery Store. Oh. So, Michael was
That was my...
convinced to buy these because this woman was demonstrating them, and
Yeah, just in case the power goes out.
he said just in case the power goes out. I don't know how we would cook them with the power out. I guess we've got a gas stove, so that would work. But yeah, these are probably just going to sit in our pantry uneaten. Hopefully we'll actually eat them. I got the chocolate Pocky, which is delicious, and these nori maki seaweed. I guess nori is seaweed. These little snacks, which are delicious. And I got Mercy this cute little Let me see if I can get a good picture of this little guy. No, it's not focusing. Ah, it's not focusing. Oh well, it's this little birdie.
Penguin.
Is it a penguin or a duck?
It looks like a penguin.
I think it's a duck. He's got a yellow beak.
Yeah,
And he's got little yellow feet like a duck.
penguins have yellow feet.
They do? Look, here's a picture of him. Wait, why is it not focusing? I don't get it. Anyway, there's the duck. This is very exotic, right? But this is the grapefruit. Oh no, it's the pompel. Yeah, it's grapefruit. Pompelmo.
Is it lemon?
No, it's grapefruit. See?
You're right.
And it's so delicious. It's my favorite flavor. Then Marielle got
these
fruit jelly puddings.
They look so interesting.
Open it up and taste one and tell us if you think that it's as good as you were hoping.
My friend, whose parents are from the Philippines, she used to bring these, and ooh, it has
It says
smell.
jelly. I thought they were liquid.
Smell it.
Mmm, smells delicious.
Let's see. I'm gonna start out with this pink one. Or
Okay.
no, not this
Right.
one. Yeah. It has weird little like squares in it.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Marielle has scraped all of her nail polish off of her fingers.
Yep, because I'm not allowed to wear that at school.
Mm.
Let's see.
They're a little tricky to get into.
Yeah, very. Okay, how?
Pull, girl, pull. Use all your might. You want me to help?
Try.
Okay, you hold the little stick. Just keep it aimed there. Remember? Boy, these are tough. These are like childproof.
Yeah.
Oh,
There you go.
oh, ew. They are jelly. Okay. Do you suck it out? There it went. How is it? Is it yummy? Is it like Jell-O?
Yeah, it's pretty good. It's like better than Jell-O.
Okay, I'll try one in a little bit. Okay, and then Marielle got these drinks for us. She's already had hers.
Yeah, I had a lime.
Hers was
Lime. Or,
lime.
yeah, lemon.
I opted for pineapple, which I'm gonna put mine in the refrigerator before I get it, but they have the little marbles that you...
They're better not too cold.
Oh, okay. Okay, and then moving on to the Lebanese grocery store. This will be our dinner.
Where?
So this is this bread called, it's got the, I'm probably gonna slay all these pronunciations, but the za'atar spice on the pita bread, and you warm this up and it is so good, like with hummus on it, and then just some plain pita. I got this for Michael Faro. I mean, you can get this in the regular grocery store, but he's trying to eat healthier, and this is a good grain to have because it's still got the, like the husk. It's like a, it's a more substantial grain. These are the cutest little mini, like baklavas. In here are 2 spinach pies. We got these artichoke bottoms because yum, that's the best part. We got some mixed olives. I think I got Kalamata green and black olives. They pronounce this, I think, kibbeh, but it's like different meats, and I don't know exactly what's in it, but it's delicious. This is some bread that they gave us. This is like some lentil salad. This is some fried cauliflower, tabbouleh, baba ganoush, which will be awesome with the za'atar, and hummus. That's going to be our feast for supper. So what did you think about our International Foods Day, Marielle? Was it a fun way to spend a rainy day even though it never actually rained?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh.
They're good.
How many have you had since I've been filming?
3.
Oh my. Okay.
Hey, now for our bonus, Cameron trying one of these jelly snacks.
Okay, this one is surprisingly easy to open. Okay.
Suck. You have to suck it out, like in one. What are your thoughts? You're chewing it a lot.
That's what's freaking me out about it. Why are there hard things in it? They're like hard things. What is it?
It's just like more condensed jelly.
I don't know. Tastes like Kool-Aid Jello. Okay.
I like it more than Jello.
I know what I'm gonna give you for Christmas.
What?
Jelly pods. Hey, I just ordered some more Kate Spade for Keds shoes. I got the rose gold. I got the rose gold ones first, and I love them so much.
What's your general impression of Kate Spade?
I like it. It's pretty. Ooh. These are pretty. These are like the blue and, or these are the navy and black glitter. They call these, shiny. What do they call these? The, a double decker, right? Because it's got this thicker sole. They're really pretty. They're so sparkly. I think they're cute.
Let's see the inside.
They're beautiful. I really kind of want a second pair of my rose gold ones because I know that they're not gonna last forever, and I want them to. Beauty. Here's our Lebanese feast. Marielle, how do you like it?
It's delicious.
Michael?
Very vegetarian.
We excuse me, we added some falafel and some tzatziki sauce from a local restaurant. And little Mercy is having some, she's having some tabbouleh. Yeah, you like it, girl? Your mouth's all green. And some lentils and some cauliflower. Mmm.